Welcome to the beautiful country of Morocco. We flew into Casablanca and traveled about an hour northwest to the capital city of Rabat. After the drive through the desert, Rabat was surprisingly lush with lots of vegetation and beautiful landscaping. Our hotel was conveniently located downtown and had a beautiful lobby.
Welcome to our room in Rabat.
The first thing we had to do was check out the market in Rabat. Now, this market is not really geared to tourists, it's more about where the locals do their shopping. We got our first taste of Moroccan food, and fortunately I was able to steer Clark away from the cowhead sandwich.
Very interesting.
Clark took me out for a birthday meal at a restaurant called the Golden Fish in a swanky hotel in downtown Rabat. It was as beautiful as it was delicious. The next morning found us at a different market, but this time in the company of our new friend Mohammed from Moroccan Food Tour. We found this excursion on TripAdvisor, and we were able to shop with Mohammed, go to his home, and cook with his mother, who is a chef. And it was really, really fun. Mohammed's mom took her couscous very, very seriously. The next morning we checked out the palace. There are 4 royal palaces in Morocco, and the palace in Rabat is the official residence of King Mohammed VI. It is very well guarded. The Hassan Tower was built in the 12th century. It was intended to be the tallest minaret in the world, but it was never completed. Nearby is the tomb of King Mohammed V. The Kasbah of the Udayas is a fort built in the 10th century at the mouth of the Boudred River. While Barbary pirates may have operated from here in the 17th century, today is a thriving residential community. Now we're heading to Fez. See you next time.